In this tutorial, I will show you how to quickly add a shake effect in Premiere Pro. To start, we need to import a clip or element to apply the shake effect to our timeline. Next, locate the effects panel and apply the transform effect to your chosen layer. Once you've added the effect, head over to the Effect Controls panel, where you can customize various parameters of the transform effect. Begin by setting both the anchor point and position parameter values to 0. This will center the element and prepare it for keyframe animation. Next, we will adjust the skew property. Set its initial value to around 1. Now it's time to create keyframes for the skew axis parameter with the value 0. This keyframe serves as the starting point of your shake effect. After establishing the first keyframe, create a second keyframe further along the timeline and significantly increase the skew axis value. This adjustment will generate the shake motion as it transitions from the first keyframe to the second. For an additional touch, consider enhancing the realism of the shake effect by enabling motion blur, which can be done by increasing the shutter angle value. This will create a more seamless and fluid motion appearance. With these steps, you can effortlessly add an eye-catching shake effect to your footage in Premiere Pro, making your videos more engaging and dynamic.